Today we are going to learn some MCQ questions of metallurgy topic. In previous video we have see the up to the 20 questions. Now see the 21st questions, that is the percentage of carbon in low carbon steel, that is also called as a mild steel, is. We know that there are three types of the carbon steel. First, low carbon, medium and high carbon. In these questions, there is what is the percentage of carbon in the low carbon steel? The answer of this question is the A, that is a percentage that is given, that is 0.05 to 0.3% of the carbon present in the low carbon steel. Next question, that is 22. Which of the following constituents make the steel brittle? We know that as the percentage of the manganese what goes on increases, the steel become a more brittle, as like the glass. Next questions, which of the following is usually made of the high carbon steel? High carbon steels, as there is become very hard in natures and they are commonly used for the making the hammers like substances. Next question, that is 24. Due to which of the following property metal causes the weakening and structural damage by repeating applied load, that type known as a fatigue resistance? Next question, which property of metal indicate the ratio of density of metal to the density of water, that is called as a specific gravity? Next, move to the next slide, that is 26. The specific heat of water that we have to be expressed, that is in the 1 calories per gram or 4.186 joules per gram. That's why we have to be correct answer of this question is C1 is there. Next question, the non-hydraulic limes. So the property of non-hydraulic lime means they are become set and hard in the air. That's why it is called as a non-hydraulic lime is there. To avoid the early initial set, dash dash is added in the cement. We know that the gypsum, the property of gypsum to avoid the initial setting time of the cement, that is Portland cement. That's why answer C is the correct of these options. Correct. The chemical formula of gypsum is, there are the four chemical formula that is confusing to us. That's why you have to be remember CaSO4 dot 2H2O, that is called as a calcium carbonate, and after the heating or calcination, as there is a dehydration takes place, and we got that is called as a CaSO4 dot half H2O, that is a formula of the gypsum. The lime when added in excess quantity, then what will be the happen? That is a questions. Lower the clinkering temperatures, make the cement unsound, and control the initial setting times. All are the correct option. That's why the all of above is the correct answer of these questions. Next, 31 question. The soundness test of the cement is done to determine the free lime content. Soundness test, yes, is very useful to determine the percentage that is present of the lime in the cement. Next question, select the ingredient which when added in the excess amount in the cement causes a slow setting of the cement. That is a Al2O3, that is called as a alumina is the answer. Anhydrous compound of the cement undergo hydration reactions forming the insoluble gel and crystalline productive forms. Next question. The following chemical reaction taking place during the setting and hardening is referred to as dash dash the reaction. When Portland cement mixed with the water, there is a first, there is a hydrolysis reaction takes place, and this is given here in this formula. This is called as a hydrolysis, means there is a breaking of C3S. C3S, that is a tricalcium silicate that breaks into the dicalcium silicate and crystalline forms, that is called as a hydrolysis reaction is that. Next question, the presence of dicalcium silicate, that is called as C2S, that cement that makes the harden the cement slowly. Next questions, the tricalcium silicate develop the strength in the cement dash dash 7 days. That is a C3S. It requires the 7 day to uh, become a that is to get early strength. The material used in the refractories are materials that used by using the following formula, that is MgO, SiO2, Al2O3 and CaCO3. These are the refractory material commonly used for making refractories industries. Next, the refractory material should have the high refractoriness. The softening temperature of the refractory material is determined by the pyrogenic cone test. Which of the following formula of the quick limes? That is calcium carbonate is called as limestones. That is called as and after the breaking, there is a formation of lime, that is CaO. It is also called as a quick limes. Select the chemical composition of the flat lime. Flat lime is that is high lime. It is also called as, and it contain the that is limes about the 90%, above the 90%, that is about the 92 to 95%. Which of the lime is equimolar mixture of CaCO3 and MgO, that is called as a dolomites? This is a D option is there. Which of the lime form the poor mortars? That is poor mortars, that is lean limes. The shape of the refractory material should have, that is remain stable at the high temperatures. Next questions, the sequence of the steps involved in the metallurgical process or extraction process. The first important step, that is called as a crushings. After that you have to be do the concentration. In that concentration we have to be remove the impurities. After that reductions, here the metal is to be reduced, that is oxide or sulfides, it convert to the metallic forms. After that refining, that's why B option is the correct of these steps. Which is closest to the purest form of the ions, that is rod ions? This one is the product of the blast furnace is, that is pig ions, slag and flue gases. That's why option D is correct. The range, that is temperature range of the zone of heat of absorption, that is dash dash to the dash dash degree Celsius, that is given, that is 800 to the 1200 degree Celsius. Next question, which reaction represent the formation of slag formation during the extraction of the iron in the emitted? In that blast furnace, yes, there is a formation of slags, yes, by the combination of CaO and SiO2 to give the CaSiO3, that is a formation of slag. This is a B option is there. In the process of electro refinings, the electrolytes are used, that is in case of the copper electrolytic process, electro refining process, we have to use the copper sulfate as a electrolytes along with the H2SO4 as a we have to be used. Duralium alloy has a aluminum base metals. This one is, which of the steel is not welded? Welded means the low carbon steel can be easily welded because percent of carbon is very low, but in case of the high carbon steel, the percent of carbon is very high, that is about the 1.5%. That's why we cannot weld it. The dicalcium silicate develop the strength in a cement that is a 28 day, that is called as a final setting time of the cement. Thank you.